Hey, what's good, family? You back with Cookin with Nephew. This is episode 5. Today we finna do these baked ranch chicken wings that's just out of this world. Easy recipe, still pack a lot of punch, a lot of flavor to it. Forget all that talking, man. Let's start cooking.
Cooking with my nephew. In the kitchen where we vibe, got the flavors and the laughter side by side. Stirring up some memories, spicing every dish. Family moments treasure, that's our only wish, yeah.
All right, y'all, like always, just like Unc do, let's go over these ingredients. So we're gonna start, we got our salt, our black pepper, we got our party wings right here. That ranch season that's gonna go over the top, little baking powder, that's what's gonna dry them out. You know we gotta pay our booth rent, man, so y'all know what's coming with that. And a little olive oil from Branch and Vine. And just like that, let's get it. First, before we get started, let's preheat our oven to 400. All right, now that we got our oven going, we already got our wings patted dry, they super dry so it can hold that seasoning. Then I got my extra bowl right here, right? So I'm gonna dump my baking powder, all my dry seasonings, mix that up before I go to my wings. So first, let's start off with this baking powder. Then we're gonna come with our salt. Just a few pinches, folks, we don't need a lot. Then that black pepper. Y'all know that black pepper is just what's just gonna wake everything up, right? So let's see if we get this a little bit. And then you should see that black pepper in there, you know, coming over that baking powder. That baking powder is what's gonna make that extra crisp when you put them in the oven. All right, now that we got our dry ingredients ready, let's go ahead and coat this. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just enough right there. Let's go ahead and mix this around. Make sure it's evenly coated, man. We want that seasoning, all that dry, that baking powder to stick everywhere. All right, now let's go ahead and dump our dry seasonings. Y'all know always I got my hot soapy water just like Aunt taught me. Let's go ahead and start mixing, getting this all around. And we not done. I know y'all looking like Nephew, it don't look like that's a lot of seasoning. Well, I be saying, don't trip. Nephew got you, man. Let's get this evenly coated. All right, let's go ahead and take my Unk season and go ahead and coat it. Once we get this coated, we're gonna go ahead and do a little mixture so we can mix all this together. And if you feel like you need to add more, hey man, it's up to you. By taste, I go by look. By the looks of it, I'm gonna add a little bit more using my clean hand. Not too much, we don't wanna overpower it. Oh yeah. She looking right, people. All right, now that we evenly coated, let's go ahead and start putting it on our rack. All right, now that we got our baking sheet and our rack, we got a little parchment paper up under that, right? Because I do wash all my dishes. So this will make it easier to pick up all that stuff that's gonna drop off the chicken, right? So let's go ahead and start placing. When you do your placement, you wanna give a little bit of room, you know what I mean, for them to breathe. You don't want them too close. Because halfway through, we're gonna flip these. So give yourself a little room when you're setting these up. Always, I'm using my, one dirty hand, one clean hand. Hopefully I made enough. Because I know this first rack I probably could knock off by myself. And then y'all know I gotta get Unc to taste them and tell me what he think. All right, now we're coming up on our last two. Making sure our spacing is right. Now, usually I would dust these with a little bit more of my Uncle seasoning, right? But you don't want to overpower them. Remember, this is ranch wings. We want to taste that ranch at the end, so we don't want to overpower them with Uncle seasoning. So now that we got our spacing, we on the rack, let's go ahead and get them in the oven. All right, we got our oven up to temp. Let's go ahead and get these wings in here. So we going in for about 40 to 50 minutes. Halfway through, we gonna come back through and make sure we flip all of them. So let me set my timer. I'll see y'all in a minute when it's time to flip. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and pull these out. It's time to flip. And oh yeah, these is looking good. So pull it out a little bit so y'all get a good look. Y'all see, we looking good, man. They smell good. I'm gonna start from this side. Man, so what we looking for that Maxwell, people. We're looking for that Maxwell. And if you don't know who Maxwell is, I don't know what you're listening to. So we're looking for that pretty wings, people. For people who don't know, what I'm referencing, right? So if it's stick, don't worry, just shake it a little bit. they're gonna come, you know, go and come out for you. And go and get these all the way over. All right, now we got all of them flipped, right? So we still got our spacing looking good. Let's go ahead and get them back in the oven. Man, these look good, man. Get these back in the oven for about another 20 to 25 minutes. And, you know, little pro tip, little pro player tip from your nephew. If you don't know who Maxwell is, put him on your playlist. Make these wings for your girl. After, turn that on, boom. Nephew got you. All right, so we've been in for about 25 minutes. Let's see if we can take a look at them. Oh, yeah. These is right. Let's get this oven off. Go ahead and slide him out. All right, y'all, we got him out the oven. It's time to go and get him in this bowl over here, right? So we can go ahead and add that ranch seasoning. Let's start here. If some of them are a little stubborn, don't worry about it. Shake it a little bit, they'll come right up. Oh man, but these smell great, people. Super simple, super easy. And you know, you can make a lot of them. Make these in batches. It's probably the best way to do it. You add my ranch seasoning. Start with this one right here. Go ahead and coat this. Oh yeah. So we're gonna use all of one, half of the other. We don't want too much ranch, and that's all you taste is ranch. You don't wanna over ranch them. I don't even know if that's a thing, because I love ranch. But yeah, you don't wanna over ranch these. All right, that's enough. Get y'all a good look before I start. And these are super crispy, people. Let me see if I can get these around. Oh yeah, these is fire right here. I'm gonna have to get Unc down here soon so we can try these. See if y'all get a good look at these. Let me go ahead and keep coating them. I'm not gonna bore y'all. We gotta take a few pictures, then I'm gonna plate these, set them up. We'll be right back. All right, now that we got them coated, you already see how I added a few on here onto the plate. About to keep adding these. You know, when you tossing them, you wanna make sure they evenly coated till you get this look right here. Let me see if I pick one up for you. Get this look for you right here. And name is Griselda Blanco. Pablo Escobar, whoever you want it to be, man. You just wanna make sure you can see that white on the wings. So let me go and get these plated. Take our pictures, and then I'm gonna see if I can get Unc down here to do a taste test for us. All right, y'all, we got our pictures knocked out. We plated up, we ready to taste. As y'all can see, you know, playoffs is coming up. If y'all wanna do something that's, you know, a little unorthodox, that's not the usual, you know, all the time, be a little different, man. These is gonna be fire, man. So, you know, these is my boys. That's why they over here by themselves, man. I'm a diehard Chargers fan. I'm LA through and through, but forget all that. Let's get into this, man, because this is what you've been waiting on. Hey, that ranch, all right, y'all, man, these is fire. I'm finna get Uncle in here right now so he can do his taste test and tell, you know, his nephew how I did, man.
You sound like you about to get one. Like, hey, homie, you cooking where I'm at.
Yeah.
You know,
like this not his house, you know what I'm saying?
let me go in here and get one of these.
Yeah. Yeah, you smell that ranch. Yeah, that ranch is it's potent. The aromatic, huh? The aromatic from the ranch is what's getting to you.
And the fact that they're crunchy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? By the time we put that crunch on there,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? And when you toss them with like something wet, then as they sit up, they get soggy.
No, hey, we got the crunch all the way through with these people. We nailed these ones. Super simple. I'm telling you, if you follow my steps, man, you're gonna nail these every time.
I'm gonna say it like this though. Hey, he keeps saying we. This is all you, partner.
Hey, appreciate
you know
it,
I was upstairs, you know, doing some paperwork.
Yeah.
What you saying, man?
That's, hey, y'all see I'm waiting on the approval, but the fact that he's still eating, man, you know, that let me know I did everything I was supposed to do. About to go ahead. He think I poured this for him. This that Bayou Swamp water that's dropping later. Yeah. No, that's not true, huh? Okay. This dropping later this year. Be on the lookout for it. This is fire. I can't wait to talk to you all about this, but that's for a later video, man. I'm finna go get Unc probably a few more of these.
Hey, you know how I go. Big dog. Seniority.
Yeah, y'all know how I go. Hey, so remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just related to one. I'm finna go ahead and knock these off, people. We out. Peace.
I'm going where you going with that.
Oh.